Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative force in the finance industry, creating numerous avenues for generating income. Understanding how to leverage AI effectively can lead to substantial financial gains, whether through direct application or advisory roles. Let's explore the 5 innovative ways AI can be utilized to make money in finance. Firstly, algorithmic trading is a prominent method where AI systems analyze vast data sets to identify trading opportunities. By deploying sophisticated algorithms, traders can automate the buying and selling of stocks, minimizing human error and enhancing efficiency. These AI-driven systems use historical data analysis and predictive modeling to forecast market trends, enabling traders to capitalize on minute fluctuations in stock prices. Secondly, financial advisory services can benefit greatly from AI integration. Robo-advisors employ algorithms to provide personalized investment advice based on an individual's financial goals and risk tolerance. By utilizing AI, investment firms can enhance their offerings, reaching a broader audience with lower fees while maintaining high levels of service quality. This not only attracts more clients but also increases overall portfolio management efficiency. Thirdly, AI plays a critical role in risk management by analyzing patterns and anomalies within financial data. By utilizing machine learning techniques, institutions can predict potential defaults or market downturns, enabling them to adopt preemptive measures to mitigate risks. This proactive approach not only saves money, but enhances a firm's reputation, making it a trusted entity in the finance sector. Fourthly, alternative lending platforms leverage AI to streamline the lending process. Through advanced analytics, these platforms assess the creditworthiness of potential borrowers, expanding access to loans for individuals and small businesses. By charging interest rates that are competitive, these platforms can drive profitability while providing much-needed financial support to underserved markets. Lastly, cybersecurity is increasingly becoming a focus area for financial institutions. AI technologies can detect fraudulent activities in real time by recognizing unusual transaction patterns. By investing in AI-powered cybersecurity solutions, companies not only protect themselves from potential losses, but also offer these services as a product to other businesses, thus opening new streams of revenue. In conclusion, the integration of AI in finance presents numerous opportunities for generating income across various verticals. By understanding and applying these 5 methods, professionals and entrepreneurs can unlock significant financial benefits while leveraging cutting-edge technology to stay ahead of the competition. The future of finance is not just human-driven, it is increasingly becoming AI-driven, offering limitless potential for those willing to adapt.